Now I
Knit one.
Oh! Hello, Aunt Polly!
Oh, hello, Mr Tumble.
What are you doing, Aunt Polly?
Well, I'm knitting.
Oh, knitting?
Is knitting your hobby?
Yes, knitting is my favourite hobby. Mr Tumble.
Would you pass me the wool, please?
Oh, right, yes, all right. What, all of it? I'll just... there you go.
Thank you.
I don't think knitting is the right hobby for you, Mr Tumble.
No, I need a different hobby.
Don't worry, Mr Tumble. Maybe you could look for a hobby in the garden.
Oh, good idea. Knitting.
Is gardening your hobby, Grandad Tumble?
Yes, gardening is my favourite hobby. Yes. All these lovely crunchy carrots, look. Stop messing about, the boy.
Maybe gardening isn't the right hobby for you either, Mr Tumble.
No, I need to find a different hobby.
Is croquet your hobby, Lord Tumble?
Oh, well, croquet.
Yes, croquet is my favourite hobby. Why don't you have a go, Mr. T?
Okay. With you.
I don't think croquet is the right hobby for you either, Mr Tumble.
No, I'm going inside.
Don't be sad, Mr Tumble. We will find you a hobby soon.
Thank you. Oh, hang on a minute. What? What? Yeah! Woohoo! Whoa!
You're very good at juggling, Mr Tumble.
Well, thank you.
Juggling could be your new hobby.
Oh yes, of course, juggling. Woohoo! Hello, and thank you for watching. Keep watching my channel because there are new things to see every Wednesday and Saturday. Woohoo! Wait.